the second video, we're going to be unboxing the three magnificent Pokemon entering the EX. This means a mental might of EX, a punch and power of Machadia. All the stormy seas of Tiny Gyarados EX and Pokemon trading card game, triple power game. Each of these rolling containers contains the mighty Pokemon EX from the ranks of champions. So anything with some of the most powerful Pokemon ever discovered. Are heavy. Breakpoint, Primal Clash. Julius Face. Yes. Look after my tail. Guys, just look at that guy. Look at that guy. Look at that particular rest. But yeah, shiny Gyarados EX. How lucky am I? I got three shiny EXs now, boys. Look at that, free of the week, yeah? The EX is not in the tin. I know, it's in the pile. Anyway, guys, look after that now for it. Look at that code of the week. Anyway, while I'm going to pause the video, guys, and I am going to pack these packs open. Guys, opening this pack, the Primal Clash one. I hope if I get the Primal Groudon, if I get the Groudon okay, the card is going to go like pretty good a week. Here's the code. EX card. Well, I would have had the same. Yeah. Aggron Spirit Link. Another choice. Yeah. So enter code by. I got it. Sorry guys, my brother's a newbie in this. I'll look at the card in the back. Look at the back card. Right. If you look at the not just don't look at the back. I said don't look at the back card, I said, and you try to look at the back. Right, show them the first card. The training centre. And we got Maxie's Hidden Ball Trick. Basically a strong enemy, yeah. A Whiscash. Surskit. Patrat. Corfish. Drowsy. Horsey. Trapinch, Dunno, Slapoth, Vulpix, Poliwag. Look at the artwork on that. The reverse Walrein. Oh my gosh. So guys, I don't know. Reverse left key, that's good. And also the reverse Walrein, and the last character of the pack is, of the college pack is... There's a regular basic. And the last card of my pack is a normal Delcatty. If I get no EXs and no good cards now from this house, I'm just going to be really upset. No, the last unboxing I did get a bunch of good cards. I had like an EX in every pack. I I'm not even joking. Enjoy, guys. There's a ninja in the park now. Oh, there's Ferris again. Look at that code.
Look at that freaking wrist.
Look at that, look at the wrist. Look at that code. Fighting Fury Belt. Heats more. It's in the back already. Dunsparks. Pharisees. Rubbish. Electabuzz. I've already seen the back got an action. Froakie. Rattata. A reverse Ferrothorn. And then the final card for this Greninja. Where's the pack?
Oh, we're done here.
Where is that? Greninja Breakpoint pack is. Fudging kidding me. The Manaphy X card.
Oh, he's so cute.
Manaphy. I know I'm cute. I know I'm cute. Mineral Cup. Right, the final pack.
Oh, this last pack. Look what you
My
got.
last pack. One more from this box.
It's a really good card. I'll put it where you're reacting to right here.
You literally. Oh, yeah, I lost my final pack now is the Luxray pack. Breakpoint pack. Please let me find a break. I really want that break. Luxray, it looks so cool. Give me all your rubbish. Give me all your rubbish. All your love. That code, that's good.
Okay. You have loads of Froakie.
I know, we can have what I want to be honest. I don't know. Bursting balloon. Balloon. Oh, in the Luxray pack, I find the Luxio. Well, then Arcanine, Shelder, Psyduck, Phantom, Slowpoke. In the pack as well, I find the Shinx. Then the reverse Skrill card. And the final card's gonna be the look at that. I thought I was gonna get lucky and find the break Luxray, or even find a Luxray. But this is quite good. The Holo Garbodor, possibly the worst Pokemon ever, but not the worst card. Anyway, there you go. Right, next video, we will be opening this tin. See you. There's a little. Back. So, see you next video.